عليه وسلم صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Sahih al-Bukhari, hadith number 8 to 17 and hadith number 1 to 10 of chapter 2, that is belief. Hadith number 1, narrated Ibn Umar, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Islam is based on the following 5 principles. To testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and Muhammad is thus Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. To offer the compulsory prayers dutifully and perfectly. To pay zakat, that is obligatory charity. To perform hajj, that is pilgrimage to Makkah. And to observe fast during the month of Ramadan. Hadith 2 of chapter 2, that is belief, narrated Abu Huraira. The Prophet ﷺ said, belief or faith consists of more than 60 branches, that is parts, and haya. This term haya covers a large number of concepts which are to be taken together. Amongst them are self-respect, modesty, bashfulness, and scruple is the part of faith. Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith 3 of chapter 2, narrated Abdullah bin Amr, the Prophet ﷺ said, a Muslim is the one who avoids harming Muslims with his tongue and his hands, and a muhajir or immigrant is the one who gives up or abandons all what Allah has forbidden. Hadith 4 of chapter 2. Narrated Abu Musa, some people asked Allah's Messenger ﷺ, whose Islam is the best? That is, who is a very good Muslim? He replied, one who avoids harming the Muslims with his tongue and his hands. Sahih Bukhari Hadith 5 of chapter 2. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr, a man asked the Prophet ﷺ, what sort of deeds or what qualities of Islam are good? The Prophet ﷺ replied, to feed the poor and greet those whom you know and those whom you don't know. Hadith 6 of chapter 2. Narrated Anas, the Prophet said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, none of you will have faith till he wishes for his Muslim brother what he likes for himself. Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith number 7 of chapter 2. Narrated Abu Huraira, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, by him in whose hands my life is, none of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father and his children. Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith 8 of chapter 2, narrated Anas, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, none of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father, his children, and all mankind. Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith 9 of chapter 2, narrated Anas, the Prophet ﷺ said, whoever possesses the following 3 qualities will have the sweetness of faith. The one to whom Allah and His Apostle becomes dearer than anything else, who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah's sake, and who hates to revert to atheism or disbelief as he hates to be thrown into the fire. Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith 10 of chapter 2. Narrated Anas, the Prophet ﷺ said, love for the Ansar is a sign of faith and hatred for the Ansar is a sign of hypocrisy. Jazakallahu khair.